Hello there. This is gonna be a quick and dirty opening of a package. This package is coming from this is from China. Well, I have really no idea what's in there, so because I have ordered a couple of items that are coming, but okay, let's get to it. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, I think it's a multimeter that I ordered. I think it shipped pretty quickly. Here a manual. This is it's really a cheap multimeter. As you can see, some working right away. So it comes with batteries, I guess. It's a hard casing. Also there, some wires that come with it. Okay, let's I'm gonna check this out, and probably gonna switch to a video where I can test this out. Okay, I'm back. Let's check is the multimeter really working. So we're gonna measure DC voltage. I have this old phone battery. How do I do this? Let's put it here. Hopefully you can see this. I'm gonna put the red one to the plus and the black one to the minus. And as we can see, it's 4.05 volts, so this is a 3.7 volt battery, so it means that it's fairly charged. So thanks for watching.